When you use really good ingredients, even the simplest breakfast will come out wonderful and delicious. Something as simple as boiled eggs. Of course, complemented with a few other things, such as this Honeycrisp apple that we're going to use more or less for a scoop as a dip for a particular ingredient that you'll see shortly. Making those into little morsel slices and stacking them really neatly. Why not look at something good while you're eating? Then we're going to take a tomato and chop it up into some smaller bits, put it in a bowl because we're going to make a salad with it, and add some bufala mozzarella. I would imagine that's how you pronounce it. A couple of pieces, throw them in there. And for that dip, we're going to use some hummus, not hummus, on the side over there, and spread it out because we're going to pour some olive oil in the middle over there too. Some cilantro for the salad, just pairs really well. I love cilantro in my salad. Chopping it up into fine, smaller bits, tossing that in, and just a little bit of onion. You don't want to go too hard on this in the morning for obvious reasons. And some of this Szechuan pink pepper that I got, it really adds a wonderful dimension to it. Squeezing a lime that's not going in the salad. I'm going to mix that with water after. Some salt, just to dress that salad. That beautiful olive oil, which really helps. And we're going to pour some of that into the hummus as well, which adds a nice flavor to it. But now back to the salad, because that salad is something really special. But don't take my word for it. Let's see what Joe Rogan says.
I love a good tomato and onion salad. Like heirloom tomatoes with slices of onion and some balsamic on that bitch.
I love
a little bit of
that.
salt. Oh, that's nice.
Balsamic on that bitch indeed. As for the eggs, what you want to do is when you're cracking them, steep them in a little bit of water. This is going to make the peeling really easy, as you can see over here. You don't need to add anything like vinegar and stink up your house. Absolutely not necessary. Once you got those, you're going to just toss them in your bowl, and you can mix some butter into it, which I did, just amplifies the taste. Grass-fed butter, of course. And I have something that is called a Moroccan Spice, which has cumin, a few other ingredients as well. It's quite light if you don't use a lot, but it helps the eggs taste a whole lot better. So I take all that and just mix it all together, and it comes out quite perfect. And that's the egg component. A little bit of black pepper to top it off, and gotta have the coffee on the side. It's breakfast after all. But there's the platter. Super easy, takes about 10 minutes altogether. And it's not carb heavy, and I got my vitamins, vitamin D, because we're in Canada and it's pretty much night outside starting from 4 p.m. And yeah, it looks wonderful, and gotta go and enjoy it. And don't forget, always feed your dog.